Hi guys, I came back from the conference and it was so productive thanks to my good preparation. And if you didn't find the time to watch my previous video, I recommend it to you because it is super useful. I booked 15 meetings before I even land, but today I have one game changer tip for you for making the most of conference, networking and landing new business contracts. So let's talk about it. If you want to collect high-ticket leads or cherry pick the one you want, you need to organize VIP dinner or brunch. It is more effective and gives a better result than being a conference sponsor. Why it works? You can make a list of people you want to talk with: speakers, sponsors, high net worth individuals. Many of them didn't go to networking events or side panels, but if you want to set up a VIP dinner and invite them personally, in 90% of cases they will come. Being included in a small, carefully selected group makes them feel appreciated. I will show you message example how to invite them. So let's talk about organization. Pick a restaurant that is not too fancy like a Michelin star, but it's nice and good looking. And make a deal with them for a special menu, a special offer with a few picked main courses, drinks and desserts. Print menu with your company logo, message or QR code so people have a better experience. If you invite 20 to 30 people, it should cost you 2,000 to 3,000 euros without alcohol. But if you want to include alcohol, maybe double it because alcohol is more expensive, but you can limit it with one red wine and one white wine because everybody loves wine and it's not so expensive. So here is the example of the menu that I used, and I also organized many dinners and breakfasts, but this one is for the brunch. So let's talk about guest management. You should prepare your primary and secondary list. Primary list is your must-have guests that you want to talk and meet. So you need to communicate that way that they need to confirm their attendance till some specific date because it's invite-only VIP, dinner, brunch or breakfast, and seats are limited. You can expect that 3 to 4 people won't show up. That concept is more respected and more valuable than public events. The day before, send personalized message each of them as a reminder. You and your team should know every one of them, their names, their backgrounds, their faces, because the guests will appreciate it. On the day of the event, dress elegantly so people can easily recognize and remember you. Address everyone by name and personally welcome them. After everyone sits, give a small speech about you, your company goals and work. And be concrete, short and relaxed. Add a joke as an icebreaker. Invite other people to stand up and introduce themselves in a few sentences in some interesting way, like what is their hobby, what is their biggest business achievement or fail, something interesting for them, because that way will helps that everybody know each other well. Don't push sales, don't initiate business topics. If they want to talk about business, of course you can adjust to their wishes, but be friendly, be nice, get to know them, be unforgettable and be friends with them, because they will easily remember you after that and they will be more open to help you in different ways. So don't forget to take photos with all of them. It's the most important part. Send to them immediately with a thank you note. I mentioned it in my previous video. After the event, send a follow-up email with a short presentation with a thank you message, shared contacts, and short description of everyone so they can connect if they didn't get a chance at the event. After 1 week, send a message to each person separately, add a personal detail, his birthday, something they said, something that you remembered specifically about that person. This will help you to smoothly schedule a business call. This is it for now. If you have any comments, suggestions or questions, we can discuss it in comments or we can connect on LinkedIn and chat there. So see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one. Bye!